Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing it really well. Mum's here today.
I'm here with a new box.
We've got Roccabox. Mum went for a new subscription.
Only because I was told to. So I did.
Yeah. So we got Roccabox.
I've never seen this one before.
I used to have Roccabox quite a lot. How much is it?
I don't know.
You got this on quite a good deal, didn't you?
Was it 3 months for something?
15 quid plus postage or something?
Less than that, I think it
was really cheap, really good deal. If the deal is still valid, I will link it somewhere for you. Or if I can find a discount code, I will link that too. Right. But let's jump in.
Right, okay.
So, the owner of Rockerbox is called Tia and she is lovely. I've chatted to her various times in the past, but Mum paid for this. And it says Roccabox September 2020. Oh, you got the September box?
Yeah.
It's October.
I know, this was what I got sent.
So
that's probably part of the deal.
Yeah. This September is all about you and the boss that you are. Everything is bossing it in some way. Remember, not everyone's success looks the same. I know full well how hard it can be to juggle work in between everything else that you're going on with. Yeah, so let's have a look. Do you want to...
Okay, let
me just pass you things.
Yeah, pass me things.
Right. That's a glass bottle.
Goodness me, this
looks
is
like
quite
gin.
heavy.
Oh, it is alcohol. It's non-alcoholic.
Oh, look at that.
That's cool.
Some gin.
But
it's not alcoholic.
Gin. It's Camino. It's a distilled tropical non-alcoholic spirit inspired by the sun-drenched spirit in Colombia. Zingy, zesty, ready to party. It's Inca berry and juniper. So it's a bit like gin. Oh, let's open it and have some.
What's she like?
What? It's non-alcoholic.
It's 20 to 4.
Yeah. Oh, it smells alcoholic.
How dare she?
That's nice. Taste it.
I don't drink anything.
It's not. It just tastes like squash. It does just taste like squash. It doesn't taste like
right,
alcohol.
okay, I believe you. I'll drink some later. Or Carol and I can drink that tomorrow evening.
Yeah.
That better.
So that was the first thing.
That's pretty good. I don't mind that at all.
An extra treat, and that is worth 50. This is a sample of 50 millilitres, and that's a full size one is £18 for 50.
Right,
so
okay.
That's 10. So you've got a palette,
an eyeshadow palette,
a Style
London
Devil Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette worth £15 full size. Every boss needs a signature makeup look, and this palette provides all of the options.
There we go. That's a good look at look. That's
yeah,
good,
it is. Well done.
For me.
Very
That's
good.
Very good for me because I normally get it all fuzzy.
No, you don't. Oh, that's my camera. That's nothing to do with you. It's just my camera's crap.
No,
pretty, aren't they?
Yeah. There we go. Lovely.
Not that Mum wears eyeshadow.
They're quite pretty though.
They are pretty.
Yeah.
But you won't wear them, will you?
Who knows? Is that you saying you want them?
No, they're pretty.
Yeah. Okay. Don't touch them.
Why not?
Because I might give them to somebody.
Look at that. You can't now. I've swatched it. Look at that red.
What an awful child. Hello.
You swatch things. Look at them. They're pretty, aren't they?
Don't swatch anymore.
It doesn't make any difference. Once it's swatched, it's swatched. They're pretty. Look, they're really nice. That red is brilliant, isn't it?
Do you want them then?
If you want them.
I don't want them.
Why not?
Would you wear them?
Well, yeah, of course I would. They're all the colours I wear.
You can have that one then. Now you've spoiled it.
I haven't spoiled it.
Yes,
That's just what you do with a palette.
Your finger all over it.
You swatch things.
Well, you don't.
You do. If you watch any videos, you swatch things.
Well, it spoils them.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
It's because she wants to sell it.
No, I don't. I could have given that to somebody for Christmas.
Well, you've given it to me now.
Yeah, I know. Thank you. I like that. Very pretty colours.
Very pretty. Here's your next thing.
You could almost use those as lipsticks, couldn't you? Yeah. This is yellow. This is whatever this is yellow.
This is lip scrub protection. Like it on top. Dry, flaky lips are inevitable when the weather starts to cool off. With autumn fast approaching, we need to take extra care. This lemon lip scrub exfoliates, moisturises, hydrates lips. It's 100% natural, which means you can eat it. This is deluxe travel size and it's £11.75.
What, this?
What? No, this is the full size is £11.75. Yeah, it's just sugar.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's what they are. They're natural. That's all lip scrubs are.
Well, why don't people just use sugar then?
You can just use sugar, but this is like, this is cane sugar, avocado oil, agave, lemongrass.
A bit of everything.
Mandarin oil, vitamin E, mica pigment. So
right, okay, that's all right.
That's nice.
Smells really nice. Could you have it on toast? Sorry, I'm showing you up on toast.
No.
Duval's something or other. I'm not sure what it is.
Lip and cheek colour. Enchanted, wild berry, berry blast, sweet love, or rose. What colour have you got? Rose.
Your favourite.
No, I don't think it's going to smell of rose. It's a colour.
Oh, is it?
This is perfect for quickly applying when you're out and about. It helps that it's lips and cheeks. So it's a tint, an argan oil tint. and it's not greasy.
Right.
Oh, it's pretty packaging, look.
It is very pretty.
Really pretty packaging.
That's very nice.
Let's have a look. I think it's going to be too pink. That's too pink for you. Look, Mum likes her reds. That is like a very, it is a very traditional rosy pink, isn't it? Doesn't smell of anything though.
At least it doesn't smell of roses.
Yeah, but that's nice.
You don't like roses, do you?
No. What's next? There's a lot of wormies in here.
Oh, what have we got here?
Eyeshadow brush.
Oh well, we've got an eyeshadow brush. Look, everybody. Now, who do we know that likes eyeshadow brushes? I can't think of anybody. Can you? Do you want this?
So this is Brushworks HD eye brush. We all need tools that we can rely on. So this vegan friendly and cruelty free handcrafted brush is the new best friend. Its short bristles help to apply pigment lovelily.
Vegan friendly?
Yeah.
Surely all brushes are vegan friendly.
Well, not if they're made of animal hair.
What are they made out of then?
It's synthetic.
Oh right, okay. Here you go.
Thanks. I'm gonna have a look at it. It looks nice.
Oh, I don't know why I bother. I really don't.
You don't know why you bother what?
You just have that.
I didn't. You just saw her offer it to me.
Yeah.
Look, here you go. Have something that you can take home.
I don't want that, darling.
It's a half-empty bottle of Shaken Back.
I haven't got any carpets. They wouldn't do me any good at all.
What have I got you that I can give you?
You can give me lots of freebies that you don't want anymore.
I've got some bubble bath. Oh, you don't use bubble bath, do you?
Shower gel. I use a bubble bath. Bubble bath. I use a
shower gel.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at this brush. It's a pretty brush. Look, it's got like purple end. Really pretty. Look, close your eye. Nice and soft. What?
You are horrible to me. Is there more?
Yeah, there's lots in it.
Right, we have got.
Okay.
That is
pomegranate sculpting neck mask, Mum. Ooh, you like that? It's for your neck.
What's wrong with my neck? What? What's that supposed to look like?
A Deirdre neck.
I haven't got a Deirdre neck.
No, but it's nice for your neck.
Makes you have a Deirdre neck.
If you have spent 24 hours hunched over a computer or glued to your smartphone, you are likely to have been plagued with pain wrinkles known as tech neck. We've come to rescue with this vitamin-infused neck-shaped fibre mask.
Neck? Is that a disease?
Formulated with pomegranate and vitamin X. It helps fight aging, plumps and restores. It's a mask you never knew you needed. Well, it says it's got a vitamin X in it.
Where's that
it's
secret?
Literally a neck mask.
So you just wrap it around
so you put one around your mouth, one around your gob.
Yeah.
Like that.
Mm.
One goes around your ears and around your mouth, and then one goes around your neck.
Right. So you can't talk?
Yeah, of course you can. There's a mouth hole.
Oh, right.
There's a mouth hole. What do you reckon then?
Is that it?
You got 6 things.
Oh, that's all right. Then there's nothing else lurking in amongst all that rubbish.
No, just lots and lots. Don't go. They're all on my floor.
Sorry, dear. Sorry. Don't. So you did quite well after that.
I did very well.
You've got a palette
and
an eyeshadow brush.
And you've got a lip tint and a cheek tint that you will not use.
Yeah.
A lip scrub that you will not use. And some gin that you will not drink.
I will drink that with Carol. Carol drinks the most peculiar flavoured gins you've ever heard of.
My friends
they're
like to
all
drink
alcohol
gins.
free.
Why?
I don't know. I find it a bit odd. I don't think you should call it gin if it hasn't got any alcohol in it.
No.
Right,
probably
okay.
not.
Shall we go and relieve the others?
Yeah. My brother's downstairs looking after the babies.
Yeah.
All by himself. So yeah.
That was that.
Mum's going to do the outro. So you've got 3 months of this.
Yeah, I've got 3 months of this at the moment.
Are you impressed?
So I think that's not bad.
It's a good box.
It's a good box. I quite liked it. I don't like the box itself.
No,
I think the other places have much nicer boxes.
This is a bit of a cheaper box.
It's like the box.
I got this one yesterday. Feel how nice that is, and that's quite a little company, and that's a nice sturdy box.
That's a lovely box. That's just like a packing box.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, so if you like this video, give this one a thumbs up and subscribe.
I've got a giveaway running until Ari's birthday on Saturday.
Is it?
And then I'm doing a bundle of glossy box things.
Oh wow, that'd be nice.
And then I've got in Vlogmas, I'm doing one giveaway every single day.
Crikey. So
Every
you need lots of things to put in your giveaways.
I've got everything for my giveaways already.
God.
I've been collecting and buying
organised.
and scribbaging away like a little squirrel.
Me. I'm not like that at all. I just go from one day to the next,
no.
hoping that I get through to the next day.
Well, you've made it until 15:47 today, so
yeah,
well done.
That's good. Now I've got to drive home now.
Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Yes, thanks for watching,
and we'll see you soon. Bye.